Now turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amazar's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's Subscription Box Saturday, and on this video, I have for you the Walmart Beauty Summer Box. Guys, this is one of my favorite boxes. I feel like you get a really good bang for your buck. I think this one went up to like $6 and some odd cents. I really can't remember the total cost for it each season, but I know that it's a really good deal. So without further ado, let's see what I got this time. Okay, guys, so here's my box. I love their little flower logo thingy. I think it is so super cute. I definitely should put one in a frame. I talk about it, never do it. Maybe I will. All right, let's open this up. I've already done this because, you know, I made a mistake a couple of times. So here's what it looks like on the inside. It was just kind of tousled about, but perhaps I tousled it some more, you know, whatever. This is like the ingredients of one of the products that's in the box. So we'll just set that aside. They do have a card in here, but most, if not all of the products in the box are not full size. But the good news is if you decide that you like something, then it's a very affordable product, most likely for you to be able to buy at Walmart. Just saying. All right, so they have what you could get on here, but you're not going to get everything that's on this card in your box. They're just going to pick some things for you based on what you filled out in your beauty profile. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with this. I already opened it because I wanted to save time and not bore you guys, but it is a NYX Filler Instinct. It's called Sugar Pie. So it's a lippy, obviously. So I'm going to go ahead and pop it open since I've already done all the work to pop it open. So I thought, oh, I wasn't expecting it to be like that. It's just a lipstick. I thought it was, you know, a lippy with the little brush and all that, but, you know, it's not. So cool. Here's the, oh, super light though. Can you guys see it? This is from another box, but it's right there. So yeah, awesome. Whatever. I think I'll like it. Let's take a look really quick because that's probably full size, honestly. It is a full size. No, that's all me. Is it on here? It's, oh yeah, it is. This is full size. So this thing is $8 in the store. Kind of pricey for NYX, in my opinion. But, you know, it's a good brand. I like it, whatever. So, okay, next we have the Cetaphil Extra Gentle Daily Scrub. Gently exfoliates with microfine particles to reveal radiant-looking skin. So this little sample is 0.33 fluid ounces. Here it is. Let me just show it to you. I'll definitely try this out, and, you know, if I like it, I can get more. But the full-size cost of this product is 6 ounces, and it is $7.94. So that's okay. That's cool. Alrighty, dighty. Next, I have this Find Your Happy Place Girls Night Out hand cream. Flour and sugarcane. I like their packaging. It's super fun. Look at that. The heels and the fun, like, I don't know, tights on the little lady there. Super cute. Okay, so this is 1 fluid ounce. And let's just quickly, if I can find it, guys. I just feel like this is so boring to watch somebody look for something and then not be able to find it. And I can't find it, guys. Yeah, I don't see it on here. So, you know, this is in here. I'm sure you can find it at Walmart, but it's not on there. Oh, wait, no, here it is. Happy Face. Oh, this is a full-size product. Okay, so $3.47 is what it cost for this product, and this is also full-size. Oh, that's cool. All right, so Cetaphil Sheer Mineral Sunscreen. Okay, so this is a SPF 50. I have a ton of sunscreen. I don't know. We'll see what I do with this. This is 0.35 fluid ounces, and the full-size one is 3 ounces and is $14.49. Dang, that's pricey. All right, I have a ton of sunscreen, so I'm not really concerned about that. Oh, we have these Listerine Ready tabs. Chewable tablets. Chew to transform from a solid to a liquid in seconds. Whole mouth clean, feeling on the glow. Chew, swish, swallow. Swallow? Okay. I'm down. Dude, I am so down. I'm actually excited to have these. That is so super cool. So I have 2, 4, 6, 8 come in this little pack right here. And the full-size version of this is 24 tabs for $5.97. So if I decide I like this, I definitely will buy more. I like stuff like this, so we'll see how that goes. I'm actually excited to give it a try. Okay, so then we have Suave Pink Smooth Performer. There is a shampoo, a conditioner, and an anti-frizz. So here's that. I definitely won't use this. I can promise you this will not work for my hair type. I don't care what it says on the package. Even if it says it's for all hair types, I promise you this will not work for me. So I would give this to my sister or something like that. But the full size for the shampoo and the conditioners, you get 16.5 ounces in the store and they're $4.98 each. Suave is a very affordable brand. And the same for the frizz cream. The frizz cream is also $4.98. So that's cool. I would give this to somebody in my family to give a try because I know that it won't work for my particular hair type. All right, guys, I love this box. I mean, for $6 and some odd cents, whatever they raised it to, I think it is a really great deal, and you get an opportunity to try some products that you probably normally wouldn't just outright buy. So I think that's really awesome, and most of them are well, no, actually, I feel all of them are definitely affordable. Just a couple of them are a little more, you know, price-wise than I thought they would be, but I feel that this is a great box to get. If anybody's interested in getting the Walmart Beauty Box, I will have a link in the description box below. This is a seasonal box, but they do have special boxes that they do, and they really never tell you when. If they do, it might be through email and I just don't see it, but they do have I keep calling them special boxes, but I don't know if it's like a bonus box, whatever they call it. But they do have other beauty boxes that they do periodically throughout the year that you can also buy. And usually those are around $9.99 or $15 or something. I don't know. At any rate, they do have other boxes. You just have to keep your eyes peeled for those when they come out. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! Which is another thing I like about this box. Everything that they include in here is affordable. So if you decide that you like it, it is an affordable again. And you know what? I am going to go ahead and pop this open because I do want to see what the color is. So it's going to take me a while. Oh, I'm going to have to film this again. Okay, guys, so here's my box. I absolutely, did that like hit the camera? It sure looked like it almost did. So it looked kind of weird. Let's try it again. Okay, guys, so, wow, why can't I throw those? Oh. Okay, guys, so here's my box. I love the little flower on the front here. That's like one of my favorite. Okay, guys, so. Okay, guys, so. I'm never gonna get it right again.